connect with other professionals in their industry and share their professional updates. Mainly it is for job search, networking, and staying informed. And it is just like a virtual space for the professional to connect and share and grow together. Okay. And let's see why we should use LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is used for professional networking, for searching for jobs, personal branding, knowledge sharing, and people also recruit from LinkedIn. So recruiters notice your profile. That's why we should keep it optimized. Okay. So, yeah, I think there is a quiz. Sudhir, can you create the quiz? Like, what is the primary purpose of LinkedIn? Option A is socializing with your friends. Option B is professional networking and career development. Option C is entertaining and gaming. Option C is online shopping. Can you vote? Hello?
Yeah, everyone please vote.
Yeah. Answer is like professional and network and career development. We'll use it. Okay, let's move forward then. And here is another question, like how can LinkedIn be beneficial for job seekers? Option A is sharing links and jobs. Option B is connecting with industry professionals and connecting with potential employees. And you can see the option C and D also. And please fill the board. Yeah, can I move out?
Everyone please vote.
Yeah, I can't see the. So. Yeah, answer is like connecting with industry professionals and potential employees. And there are some important elements in our LinkedIn profile. There is first we have custom banner, profile photo, headline, about section, feature section, and work experience, education, and skills endorsement and recommendation. Okay. And we'll go through each one of this and understand everything and understand the importance of these elements. Okay. Yeah. First, as you can see, you have custom banner. When others come to your profile, they will see your profile photo and your custom banner. Like it is like a snapshot, a image that represents you. As you can see in the image example, you can see the profile and you can see the banner. Like you can see his profile, purpose driven, focused, metaphorical, and experiential. Like it will resemble his personality of the profile, and we can see the brand of him, which is Burzt. Okay, this is just like a snapshot of everything, which resembles your personality. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we have another quiz. Like, what section of your LinkedIn profile is typically showcases a visual appealing image that represents you and your brand? Can go through the options and please vote. Yeah, so the protein is finished. Hello. Yeah, guys, please, can you vote? The question is this one. Like, what section of your LinkedIn profile typically showcases a visual appealing image that represents you and your brand? Yeah, I think voting is done. The answer is like custom banner, as we discussed above. Okay. Yeah, can I move out?
Yeah.
Yeah. After we have profile photo and headline, like first, first they will notice your banner, and then you should they will the recruiter or the guys who are LinkedIn will notice your profile photo. So profile photo is the key element of our first impression. So it should be professional and make sure that your photo is consistent in all platforms like GitHub, LinkedIn and LeetCode everywhere. Like you are using the same profile to maintain consistency. And there is something called headline here. As we can see in the image, the headline clearly specifies, it is a short description which clearly specifies what currently the user is doing. And as we can see, here the user claims to be co-founder of the Burzt and he is Vedantu and ID Madras. Like it is a general description about what he is currently doing, and we should add some keywords also. So whenever some guy searches with co-founder at Burzt, the profile which has this keyword will comes up first. Okay. And you can actually mention here some skills like your skills and technologies which you are working on, like React, full stack development, Node.js, like that. It's just a brief intro about it. Okay. And you can actually mention the location which you are currently staying and yeah. Okay, let's move forward then. And there is another question. Which section is the first thing people notice on your LinkedIn profile and it is crucial for making a positive impression? And options are recommendations, about section, profile photo, and headline, D, custom banner. Yeah, we can quote. Yeah, have you everyone done voting? Sudhir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like answer is see, right? Profile photo and headline. This is the first thing the people notices in your LinkedIn profile as we discussed about here. Okay, and any doubt? Okay, let's move forward. Like any doubts, if you have any doubts, you can chat. Think. Yeah. Okay, then let's move forward. And there becomes an about section. The about section is typically have like up to 2,600 characters, and you can fill this with 3 paragraphs. Like first paragraph should be about your skills, job title, work experience, passion, and everything. And second paragraph should be related to you, how you contributed the value for previous employee, so that when other people visit your about section, they can clearly see that how you have contributed to the previous employer. And final paragraph should be how you can solve the typical and critical problems of the company in an efficient way. And it should end with a section called "Let's Connect" and "Call me" or "Contact me." Like here you can see in the image, "Let's connect and explore how we can collaborate." Like guy is asking to connect. Okay, and afterwards here you can see there is some skill section also. Like we can add our top skills, like 5 top skills over here, so that whenever the recruiter or some other professionals come to your profile, they can actually see which skills do you have, and they can collaborate with each other. Okay, and here you can see we can add up to maximum 5 skills, and we should add the skills which are in which you are proficient and which you are confident. Okay, and then you can save it here, and if I show something, and here you can see in the about section it will look like this, and the top skills will be shown like this. Okay, yeah, top skills will be shown with a separate column so that you can easily identify in which section you are proficient. Okay, any doubts? Yeah, you can chat guys if any doubts. Hello, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, like there is another quiz. So that it is saying, where can you provide a brief and impactful description of yourself, highlighting your professional identity, identity and goals. Okay, the options are here. Please vote right. Yeah, voting is done.
Sudhir, did you start the poll?
Yes, yes.
Not able to see it.
The fifth poll that is running right.
Yeah, this voting finished.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about section, right, where you can give your brief, impactful description about yourself, as we discussed in the post. Yeah, can I move forward? If there are any doubts, you can say that. Yeah. There is another section called feature section. It is a visual showcase of all the keys, accomplishments, and projects and the contributions, and showcasing your articles, publications that reflect your insights and industry collaborations. And you want to see some examples here you can see. Here you can see the feature section of Sudhir. Like he added his resume and the link to all his creator profile and link to his GitHub campus expert profile. Okay, like you can use this feature section so that whenever people come through your profile, you can go through this thing. Like if they are interested in you, you can directly, we can directly go to click the link and we go to our GitHub profile and resume everything. Okay. There is this section allows you to display specific achievements, projects, or articles to showcase your professional expertise. And here are the options. Yeah, so the voting is done.
Yes.
Yeah, like answer is B, right? Featured section, it will show your specific achievements, articles, and projects. Okay, let's move forward. And we have a work experience section, and it gives a timeline about your professional journey. This section provides a overview of the roles and the responsibilities and achievements in a particular company. As you can see in the image over here, you can identify the person worked in Vedantu, and as his title was lead content. And you can see his timeline. He worked for 1 year, 4 months from July 2019, and we can see the location also. And afterwards, you can see the timeline of his journey. And now, like it will show in the order of what you are working now, like a recent one. And here we can see he's working in Burzt from August 2020 to present. Like it will showcase a timeline for us, so we should give brief points so that everyone can understand like what we have done, and we can highlight our responsibilities, achievements to enhance readability. Yeah, any doubts?
No.
Yeah. Okay, I was hearing something.
No.
Okay. Yeah, let's move forward then. Like you have to mention the bullet points like this, like example like this, and secure agent one during the growth and invention. So it should be clear and crisp, so that if the people or the recruiter comes and go through your section, you can understand what you have done previously. Okay, and let's move forward then. And here it comes. This is also the same. This is also provide the timeline, similar timeline as work experience section. And here, instead of work experience, it will show the academic background, and it will showcase the commitment of continuous learning. And each entry includes a degree, what you have done, and field of study, graduation, and any honors or achievements if you have. Like it will also give in the order where, like correct what you are doing, it will come on top. Okay, you can highlight your certification or courses. You can add some courses which you have done here in the college, or which can enhance your professional development, and you can add some certifications and the projects which you have done in the college. Okay, and we can have some grades like how much grade and percentage the guy has earned here. We can showcase here. Okay, and let's move forward then. And skills and endorsement section. Here you can add your skills and languages or tools, everything, and people, and people connect to you and can endorse you for these skills. Essentially, it's like a vote of confidence in your abilities. More endorsements, a stronger profile, that skill will appear in your profile. Like And you can also give endorsement to other connections. This can showcase and strengthen the relationship, professional relationship between you. And the skills which have a lot of endorsements will be appeared on the top. As in the image, you can see the product management skill has like 13 endorsements. So it came like it is showing on the top. And afterwards, data analysis. Afterwards, like is actually testing. Okay. And in other skill, we can have engineering and HTML. Like you can ask people to endorse you, and you can also endorse the other people. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there is a quiz. Which section allows you to highlight specific skills and receive endorsements from your connections? Like option A, recommendation. Option B, skills and endorsements. Option C, work experience, or option D, deadline. Yeah, is voting started?
Yes.
Yeah, please vote right. Yeah, like please vote. Yeah, is voting done?
Yes, you can go forward.
Yeah. Yes, same like skills and endorsement, there is another section called recommendation section in our LinkedIn. It is like a collection of positive comments. It's where the people say good things about your work and what you have done, and make you professionally good. And you can ask your connection to give this recommendation, and in turn you can write for them also. And you can see in the image also, like people are giving recommendations for this user, like it is pleasure to work with you and transforming the everything. And similar to that, we can actually give the recommendation to other guys. So this will create an impression. Anyone who is going through your profile, and if he sees the recommendation for your profile, we will actually have a good impression on you. And this will strengthen your LinkedIn profile. Okay. Yeah, you can actually ask actively for recommendation for the people. So from your supervisors or your colleagues or clients, so that it can be like proof of work also. You can, when you are switching the job, you can show these things in the new one. Yeah. Where can you request, like there is a quiz here, where can you request or provide a written testimonials for the colleagues and supervisors or clients to enhance their profile credibility? Yeah. Option A is recommendation section, the feature section, the C about section, and D is profile heading. Yeah, please hold this. Yeah, is voting done?
Yes, you can move forward.
Yeah, option A, it is recommendations section, right? As we have above discussed in the first slide, where you can give and write testimonials for your colleagues and supporters. Okay. And here we have our contact info section, and where it is like your digital business card. It is a place where you can share your email address, and you can see the email address, and if you are comfortable, you can share your phone number so that other people can get in touch with you. Like if some HR or recruiter is going through your profile, he can directly contact you and like know further details about you. And you can create a custom URL in the LinkedIn like this, like this link. And yeah, you can actually share your email also and everything. And you can create a custom URL. If you go to the contact info section, then there you can edit this URL, which like LinkedIn will give defaultly one link. You can edit this and give your custom name here so that it will look more professional. Okay. And it is like if you give the contact info, it is like inviting other guys or collaborations to reach out for you or for any inquiries also. They can instantly reach to you. Yeah, there is another quiz. Where can you find and edit your contact info information, including email address and phone number on the LinkedIn profile? And options are contact info, custom banner, profile photo, and reply. Yeah, please hold that. Yeah, so can you confirm that voting is happening?
Yeah, you can go
Yeah.
forward.
Yeah. Okay. Answer is like contact info, right? Where you can share your details, email address, and phone number. Yeah. Let's go forward. Yeah. It is the end of the LinkedIn section, like LinkedIn optimization, and now we will go to our GitHub optimization section. Yeah. Like, what is GitHub? GitHub is a web-based platform designed for version control, facilitating collaboration among the developers globally. Like it is just like a big hub for the people who actually code, and where people can collaborate and build software, fix issues and bugs. It's like a social network for coding where people come to create and improve their software products. As of now, the company is also looking for GitHub profiles also, so it needs to be optimized so that it will create a good impression on you. Let's there is one poll. What is GitHub primarily used for? And you can go through the options and can poll. Can vote for it. Yeah, guys, please vote.
You can move forward.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, there is actually a process and like you can create the So, like you can create a profile like this. Like here you can see everything, like tools and technologies, and the stats of it, and badges, and the most language use graph also. To create like this thing, you have to go to your profile. And you have to create a new repository with the same name, same name as your username. And it will show something like this, like it has been created a special repository. You can add a readme to your GitHub and make sure it is public. Okay. After creating this, you can go to one of these links. Suppose this links, one of these links to generate your readme profile. Like here, you can type something like title, about you, and your name, and your subtitle, like you are front-end developer, back-end developer, and in which section you are currently working on, and then a brief intro about you. If you go through this thing, and afterwards you have skills section, and inside there are, you can tick the boxes, like you can select the skills, like Java or anything, which after you go to the front-end development technologies, you have to tick and select like what technologies Same with the back-end development also, and same with database. And if you know some AI ML, you can also tick here. And the frameworks and the testing and software you use. You can provide some like GitHub username and Core Sandbox username, LinkedIn profile username, some Twitter or anything. It is optional, like it is optional. So then you can actually provide some stats, like in this profile you can see there are some stats, right? So you can click on this. It will provide the visitors count, GitHub streak status, top skills and everything. When you check this, it will generate a readme file. And you have to copy this readme file and paste it in the repository readme file. Okay? This is clear. Hello?
Yes, Nathan, you can go forward.
Okay. And there are some important sections, like in LinkedIn, we have discussed about profile and bio. Same with GitHub also. How to give a professionally clean profile picture, like it is consistent, the same profile as in the LinkedIn. And you should keep your bio clear and concise, so that if anyone goes through your GitHub profile, you can actually see, and actually can see the image. Here, it is clearly mentioned that he used to be student leader in Postman Labs and GitHub Campus IIT, leader at grade, GitHub Campus IIT Madras, and GitHub Campus Expert. Okay, and you can highlight your skills also here and the area of expertise. Include the contact details like social media account and links to facilitate communication and the collaboration. Like here, the user have mentioned his mail and Twitter, LinkedIn, and his Insta and Facebook, so that people can connect to him and collaborate. Like you can follow and sponsor him also. And moving to the other section, We have a quiz here, like what section on the GitHub allows you to provide a brief description of yourself and your interest and your skills. Yeah, the profile bio, the contribution, the repositories, and the pull request. Okay, guys, please vote. Yeah, like answer is profile and bio, like it provides a brief description of yourself, and let's move on. Yeah, you can actually pin your repositories. You can showcase your best work and most relevant work, and it will showcase your, like you can see here the GitHub stats of it, like 50 members have voted, and like 43 members have gave stars to it, and this is majorly building JavaScript. Like it resembles them. He is working on JavaScript and Java and TypeScript and Python. Like it enhances the visual appeal of your profile. Update the Git repository regularly to reflect your current focus. Like now we can see his current focus is JavaScript, and ensure that like the first few pinned repositories are more impactful. Okay. Yeah, you can actually customize the order of his pins also. Like on which order you can place it. Yeah, it is another quiz. Like in GitHub, what is the term for selecting specific repositories to be permanently displayed on your profile page? A, showcasing repos, B, pinning repos, C, featured repos, and D, display repos. Yeah, the answer is pinning repos, right? Okay, and let's move on. And you can see the GitHub stats and top languages, and it will, as you can see in the graph, it will give a progress for learning thing, and it will show the how much percentage of languages you are using. Like TypeScript is for 2%, and Python is somewhat 20%, and this will show like what are the top languages you are using and in which languages you are more confident in. Like it provides some stats of it, and you can also see here. Here some metrics of total repositories contribution in the last year and more. As the stats are there, we can motivate users to participate in more open source projects. As you can see here, the total pull request is 227 and issues are 72 like that. So that it will, like stats, if you see, it will motivate us to do more open source work. And which GitHub feature provide insights to your most used programming language based on your repository contribution? Please A, top languages, B, GitHub stats, C, language graph, or D, popular language. Yeah, actually, the answer is GitHub stats, right? Actually discussed here. Yeah, so you can move forward.
Yeah, please move forward.
Yeah. And there is another section called showcasing your achievements and contribution graph. GitHub provides some achievements to you based on the contributions and pull requests you have done and solve the issues. This can be showcased, and it will increase your visual experience and visual representation of your activity. And actually, when we every time we commit to the GitHub, there will be a green mark over here, and here we can see a graph which has like one year total contributions in the last year, and how, like, if you are consistent and do the contributions everything every day, it will be a darker. Like if you perform like 10 to 12 contributions like this, it will be brighter. Okay. And it can show, like, it will show how consistent and committed you are to contribute to the open source, and more the GitHub contribution, the greener the graph turns. Okay, it shows the commitment of yours. Like here we can, the image also you can see this guy have contributed like 6 contributions in last year. And we have another quiz. Like which GitHub feature provides an overview of activity contributions and engagement in the form like a calendar like graph. Like it is GitHub stats, top languages, contribution graph, or achievements. Yeah, you can vote. Yeah, answer is contribution graph, right? Yeah, it is voting is done.
Yes, you can move forward.
Yeah. And I think that's it. Like this is the end of the class. Okay, any doubts? Yeah, I guess can anyone respond? Hello, am I audible or? Yeah, sir.
Yeah, no doubts. Anyone
Yeah,
else that's having doubts? So what I'm thinking is like the call is being recorded, right? So whoever has, so some people joined and left and all. So for them, like we can upload the recording to YouTube and share it in the community.
Okay.
Any other doubt is there? Fine.
Yeah, then can we wrap up the class?
Yeah, we can wrap up the call.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you guys.